guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's so great to see you again. So, in this video I'm going to be reviewing the BaByliss Curl Secret Effortless Curls Long Lasting Results. It's this one, and it's purple. I thought I just bought it, so I thought I'd come on here and show you guys how to do it, because there's actually quite a few on Marketplace and I just really wanted to do it on camera to show you guys how to do it. It has automatic shut off, 2 heat settings, iconic frizz control, 3 timer settings with audio beep indicator, heat ready indicator, 2.5mm cord and heat protecting mat that comes into it. So your hair just like automatically gets sucked into it. It's probably about the easiest curler in the world. So I'm just going to show you guys how to do it. So this is what it looks like. Right, so now it's all warmed up. I'm going to show you first on this side how to do it. So what you do is you grab a strand of hair, no more than 3 centimeters. Let me just get the rest of my hair out of it. So no more than 3 centimeters, else it shouts at you and spits your hair back out. So you just want to grab that strand. There's silver writing on the thing. You want to keep that silver writing racing towards your head. And you're just going to put your hair into where you want the curl and into the triangle and just comb. And look how easy that is. So it beeps. And then it beeps twice for you to let it go. And there we go, there's a nice curl. So I'm going to show you again once on this side again, and then I will be back when my hair is all fully curled. So you want the silver writing towards your head. Silver writing towards your head. Clap. And there's a perfect little curl. I've accidentally held it out too much, so it's come out like that. But I will be back in a second. I don't know if you guys can see the curl. Pull it out. So I'll be back in a few minutes with my hair fully curled, and then I'll talk about this product a bit more. So see you guys in a sec. Hi guys, so this is my hair fully done now. I'll show you a picture up here on screen to show you what it looks like from the back, but I used the top setting on the curler. It's so easy to use. Literally you just put it into your hair and sucks it up, and then there's a curl. So it's really easy. I would recommend it to anyone who is like in a rush to do something, or doesn't like using straighteners to curl their hair, or just wants like a really voluminous curl done to the head. So, I definitely would recommend this product. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching. Bye!